Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred 4 Kashmiris, including 3 businessmen and a dental surgeon in cold blood in Srinagar. The trigger-happy troops martyred a cement trader, Altaf Ahmed Butt, dental surgeon Mudassar Gul, a property dealer and a tea stall owner during a search operation in Haidarpora area of the state. Pertinent to mention here that at least 25 Kashmiris have been martyred in FAC encounters and search operations by Indian occupation forces since 1st October this year. The fresh killings triggered strong anti-India protesters in Barzula and Press Enclave area of the state. The protesters demanded bodies of the target killing victims. They said that troops are killing innocent Kashmiris under a brutal policy recently devised by Indian Home Minister Amit Shah during his latest visit to the occupied territory. They categorically refuted the Indian police claim and said that the martyrs were innocent civilians. The All-Party Hurriyat Conference, Hurriyat Forum led by Mirwais Umar Farooq and other Hurriyat leaders, organizations and High Court Bar Association in their statements in Srinagar expressed grave concern over the killing of innocent Kashmiris in FAC encounters, saying that India was systematically carrying out the genocide of Kashmiris in the disputed territory. The APHC spokesman in a statement said that Indian fascist regime had waged a war against the unarmed Kashmiri people. The Hurriyat Forum said that Modi regime has made the life of people living in Kashmir a hell. PDP President Mehbooba Mufti said the use of civilians as human shields during search operations, getting them killed and then conveniently labeling them as overground workers of Mujahideen is now part of Modi regime's rule book. In Muzaffarabad, an anti-India rally was held by Pasbani Hurriyat Jammu Kashmir against the extrajudicial killing of 4 civilians by Indian troops in Srinagar. A large number of people participated in the protest march. Pakistan also reacted sharply over the new episode of extrajudicial killing of Kashmiris by Indian occupation forces, saying that extrajudicial killings, illegal detentions, daily harassments and restrictions on fundamental freedoms continue to be the norm in Indian illegally occupied Jammu and Kashmir. Foreign Office spokesperson in a statement said India must understand that no amount of systematic brutalities, rampant use of force and brutal clampdowns can suppress the indigenous Kashmiri struggle for freedom. The chairman of Jammu and Kashmir Islamic Political Party, Muhammad Yusuf Naqash, has said that the plight of the Kashmiri detainees is such that they are not even allowed to meet their loved ones who come to see them. He said the Hindutva mindset wanted to intimidate the Kashmiri detainees by subjecting them to new and sophisticated mental and physical torture tactics. Congress leader and India's former External Affairs Minister Salman Khurshid's house was vandalized and set on fire in Nainital, the judicial capital of the state of Jharkhand. He is being hated by Hindu extremists ever since the launch of his new book in which he draws parallels between Hindu extremism and ISIS and Boko Haram.